Students, today we are going to learn a topic from unit number 2, that is Python operators and control flow statements. So our today's topic is basic operators in Python. So there are different basic operators in Python that are arithmetic operators, string operators, comparison operators, assignment operators, then logical operators, bitwise operators, membership operators, identity operators. Okay, so basically I know everybody is having a knowledge of what is an operator. So here is an example: 4 plus 5. Okay, so 4 and 5 is a number, and which sign is you are using, that is plus symbol, that is known as operator. It will so this operator is going to add these two numbers and it will produce an output. Okay, so plus is a operator, arithmetic operator. Okay, so this is just an example. So we will study operators in detail. Okay, so we'll start with arithmetic operators. So there are different arithmetic operators. So which symbol is used for that particular operations, these are mentioned over here. So plus symbol is used for addition, minus symbol is used for subtraction, asterisk is used for multiplication, then slash symbol is used for division, percentage is used for modulus, and double asterisk is used for exponent. Okay, and double slash is used for floor division. Okay, so see the example part. Okay, so here we are using this operator, that is A, and we are using plus symbol, that is used for addition, plus B, so it will produce output. Suppose we have considered A is having a value 10 and B is having a value of 20, so it will produce 30. When we are going to use subtraction symbol, it will produce what is the value of A, that is 10, and what is the value of B, 20. So 10 minus 20, that is minus 10. Okay, so A multiplied by B, so it will produce 200. B by A, it will produce 2. B modulus A, it will produce 0. So your remainder is 0. Okay, when you are dividing B by A, so 20 divided by 10, so what is your answer? That is 2. And what is your remainder? That is 0. Okay, so percent symbol, it is used for modulus, and it will produce the output. Remainder is 0. Okay, then next is exponent. When we are using exponent in variable A and B, so it will produce the output 10 to the power of 20. Okay, when you are using when you are using floor division symbol, okay, so it will produce out. When you are using 9 floor division by 2, so it will produce 4. When you are using 9.0 floor division by 2.0, so it will produce 4.0. When you are using minus 11 floor division by 3, so it will produce minus 4. When you are using minus 11.0 floor division by 3, so it will produce minus 4.0. You are confused because why it is giving output 4 after 9 division by 2. When you are divided by 9 by 2, so it will produce output 4 point something, right? So 4.5. But it will directly what it will do, it will directly rounded the that particular value. So when the output is 4.5, so it will rounded, that is 4. That's why it shows 4 over here. Okay, so no need to be confused. Okay, next is string operators. So there are various string operators used in Python. First we'll assume we'll learn this by using an example. We'll consider two variables. Variable A is having value hello, and variable B is having value Python. Okay, when you are using concatenation operator, that is plus, so it will print hello Python. When you are using multiplication, when you are using A multiply by 2, so it will repeat the value, that is hello hello. When you are using slicing operator, so A slice 1, so it will so you are specifying the index, that is 1. Okay, so what is the value of index 1 of variable A? H is on the index of 0, E is in the index of 1, so it will directly print the value E. Okay, then next is range slice. Okay, it gives the character from the given range. When you are specifying the range, that is 1 is to 4, so it will directly print the value that is specified on the index 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so it will not specify the value of index 4, because when you are specifying the range, so range should be that starting index number to the ending index number minus 1, so it will directly print the value of index number 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so that is according to the example is ELL. Okay, so in comes under the membership operator. It returns a true if a character exists in a given string. So H in A will give you 1. 1 is for true and 0 is for false. Okay. Not in, it returns true if a character does not exist in a given string. If I am not in A, it will gives you A, because A is having the string hello. Okay, and M doesn't come under the string hello, so that's why it gives you output A. Okay, sorry, 1. When you are using modulus, that is a format, perform string formatting. We'll see this in a next section. Okay, string formatting operators. So there are various string formatting operators. When we are using string, consider this example. Print my name is %s. %s is used for string, and weight is %d. %d is used for integer. Okay, after that, when you are here after the string, okay, which is specified with the print statement or print instruction, we are using string formatting operator, that is modulus, and after that you have to specify their values by within a parenthesis, that is Zara is coming in the place of %s, and 21 comes in the place of %d. So it will produce the output like my name is Zara and my weight is 21 kg. Okay, so like this there are different format symbols: %c, %s, %i, %d, %u, %o, %x, capital X and %f. Okay, so %c is used for character, %s is used for string conversion, %i is used for signed decimal integer, %d is used for signed decimal integer. Okay, that is either positive or either negative. %u is used for unsigned decimal integer, %o is used for octal number, %small x is used for hexadecimal integer, and %capital X is also used for hexadecimal integers, but in a uppercase letters. Okay, and %f is used for floating point real number. Okay, next is Python comparison operator. There are various comparison operators. We'll consider the first example. We have already see this in a at the time of arithmetic operators. So we'll consider there are two variables, and A and B. A holds the value 10 and B holds the value 20. When we are using operator equals, okay, so it will compare the both values, that is A equals to B. If it is the both values are same, then it will produce the output true, or either when the both values are different, then it will produce output false. Okay, then second is a not equal to. If the values of two operands are not equal, then condition becomes true. If A is not equal to B, then according to our example, it is a true. When we are using arrow braces, opening arrow braces and closing arrow braces, it will also similar to the not equal to. Okay, it will also see that two operands are not equal. According to our example, this is true. Our two values are not equal. Okay, when you are using closing arrow braces, so the value of left operand is greater than, that is called as greater than and lesser than. Okay, greater than the value of right operand, then condition becomes true. A greater than B. So according to our example, A is not greater than B. Okay. Then less than, if A is less than B, according to our example, it is true that our A value of A is less than our value of B. So it is true. Greater than equal to, if our value of it will check that whether our value of variable A is greater than equal to value of B. Either both are equal or both are value of A is greater, so it will true. But when it is small than value of B, then the condition is going to be false. So according to our example, our condition, this condition is going to be false. Then less than equal to, so it will check that value is less than or equal to the particular variable or second operand. So according to our example, our value of A is 10 and value of B is 20. So A is less than equal to 20, it will satisfy this condition. That's why this expression is going to be true. Okay. So it is working accordingly. Okay. Next is Python assignment operator. So there are different assignment operators are used. We'll consider the same example. A hold the value 10 and B hold the value 20 when we are using assignation operator. So see here, we are assigning the summation of A and B to the variable C. So C is equals to A plus B. So their addition result is going to be stored in a variable C. Then is then add and. So plus is plus and equal to. So C plus equals to A is equivalent to C is equals to C plus A. Then subtract and, that is minus equals to, that is C minus equals to A, that it is equivalent to C is equals to C minus A. Then multiply and, that is C multiply is equals to A is equivalent to C is equals to C into A. Then divide and, that is C slash equals to A is equivalent to C is equals to C slash A. Then modulus and C modulus equals to A is equivalent to C is equals to C modulus A. Then exponent and, where C exponent is equals to A is equivalent to C is equals to C exponent A. And it is similar for floor division too, when C floor division is equals to A is equivalent to C is equals to C floor division A. So this way the Python assignment operator is work. Next is Python bitwise operator. So bitwise operator works on bits and perform bit by bit operation. Assume if A is equals to 60 and B is equals to 13. Now in a binary format, their value will be for 60 there is 0011 1100. This is the value of 60 in binary format. Okay, and for 13 the value is 0000 1101 respectively. Okay, following table lists out the bitwise operators supported by Python language with an example. Each in those we use the above two variables A and B as a operand. So A is equals to and B is equals to, so A is equals to 60 and B is equals to 13. Okay, when we are using AND A and B, so it will performing the AND operation between variable A and variable B binary values, and it will produce the output. When we are using A slash B, so it will use OR operation, okay, between this. Okay, then next is complement, so it will complement the values. Okay, accordingly it will produce the result. Okay, it will perform operations on the binary values of the particular variable. Okay, so that's why bitwise operators are used. So there are different bitwise operators supported by Python language. AND is used for binary and slash, that is called as pipe is used for binary or then that what we can say, upon is used for XOR. Then complement is used for binary ones complement. Then double opening arrows, or we can say less than symbol is used for binary left shift, and double right, or we can say closing braces or arrow braces is called as binary right shift. Okay, so it will so we can say we'll see what is binary AND. So operand copies a bit to the result if it exists in both operands. Okay. Then binary or it copies a bit if it exists in either operand. Okay. Then binary XOR, it is copies bit if it is a set in one operand but not both. Okay. Then binary ones complement, it is a unary and it is affect the flipping bits. So it will directly going to be perform the ones complement. Okay. Then binary shift, the left operand's value is moved left by the number of bits specified by the right operand, and the left operand moved right by the number of specified by the right operand. Okay. So this is the way the bitwise operator is work. Next is logical operators. So basically there are three logical operators, and or not. So and is used for we have to see whether condition it is used when we want to use two conditions at a time. So you have to specify the logical operators when condition A and condition B. From both of them, if any condition is satisfied, then result is going to be true. Both conditions are going to be satisfied, then only your result is going to be true. Exactly opposite, the logical or is work when you want to go for any, means if either A is true or B is true, then your conditions are going to be true and your different statement is going to be performed. Okay. Then logical not, it is used to reverse the logical state of the operand. Okay. Then next is membership operators. We have already seen the membership operators, that is in and not in. If you are using in, then it will see that particular specific character or particular value is present in the specified range or not. If it is present, then it is true. If it is not present, then it is false. Not in is check that given value is present in a specific not present in a specific range or not. If it is present, then it will false. If it is not present, then it will true. Okay. Then next is Python identity operator. So in identity operator there are two operators, that is not is. Is evaluates to true if the variable on other side of the operator point to the same object, and false otherwise. If operator is not point on the same object, then it is going to be false. Is not evaluates the false if the variable is either side of operator point out the same object, and true otherwise. So it is vice versa of is. If you are not pointing out the same object, then it is going to be true, but if you are pointing out the same object, then it is going to be a false. Okay. So there are different operator precedents are mentioned over here. So first priority is going to be exponential, second priority is going for complement, unary, plus and minus, third priority is going to multiplication, division, modulus, and what we can say floor division. Fourth priority is going to be given to addition and subtraction. Fifth priority is going to be shift operator, that is right shift or left shift. Sixth priority is given to the and. Seventh priority is given to the exclusive or and regular or. Okay. Eighth priority is given to the comparison operator. Ninth priority is given to the equality operators. 10th priority is given to the assignment operators. 11th priority is given to the identity operators. 12th priority is given to the membership operators, and 13th priority is given to the logical operators. So this is it with this video. So thank you for watching. Next video is going to out soon. Okay, thank you.